Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to implement time templates on the time template calendar and how a user sees time templates on the booking calendar. There is a Create Time Templates film which should be viewed before this one. We need to go to the time templates calendar in order to apply the time templates we have created. First of all, I'm going to apply the out of hours template. Scroll the calendar so we start at midnight. Select an area from midnight to 8 AM. This will bring up the creation pop-up. First, check that the resource and the date and times are correct. Next, we need this template to repeat every day at this time, so from the repeat option, choose daily. The pop-up will expand to show you a text description of the repeat. Next, we need to choose the time template we're going to use as the main template. In this case, I'm going to use out of hours. If everything is correct, press Create Template. And the repeating time template is shown on the calendar. We now want to copy this template to the other two resources. Left-click on the template to get the drop-down menu and choose Copy. Click the time we want the template to start at in the new resource. The pop-up will appear. Make sure the information is correct. Click Create Template to create the next set. Repeat for the third resource. Now scroll the calendar down so we can see the bottom section. Select an area from 6 PM to midnight. When the pop-up appears, you will see the times have changed to be the selected area. The rest is a copy of what we had before. Calpendo has automatically updated the times with the selected area for you. If you are happy with the information, then press Create Template. Now click on the template and select Copy so we get the new times in the paste buffer, and copy to the other two resources. Now we're going to add the time templates for Saturday and Sunday. First, scroll the calendar again so we can see the area we want. Select an area from 8 AM to 6 PM. After checking the resource and times are okay, we need to change the repeat from daily to weekly. Add Sunday to the list of days to repeat on. Change the main template to be everybody approved. We don't want users to book more than 6 weeks in advance. In order to do this, we will set up the far term template to be out of hours, which automatically denies booking for everybody. Set the far term to use alternative template. The pop-up will expand to allow you to choose which template to use. Choose out of hours. We will now be able to set up the timings, so change the after value to be 6 weeks. What will happen now is that if anyone is trying to book more than 6 weeks in advance, then the out of hours template will be used rather than the everyone approved template, and the bookings will be automatically denied. Check the details, and if happy, press Create Template. We now want to copy this template to the other two resources, so just like before, use Copy and select when you want the copy to start. Check details, and if happy, press Create Template. Next, we need to set up the time templates for the rest of the week. First of all, we want to allow biologists to be able to use the wet lab on Tuesdays in preference to everyone else. For the wet lab on Tuesday, select an area from 8 AM to 6 PM. We need to adjust the saved pop-up. First, in the weekly repeat section, tick Tuesday and untick Saturday and Sunday. Change the main template to be used to biology. We now want to set the template up so that if biologists have not made a booking, everyone else will get a chance to book the resource. In order to do this, set the near-term template to be use alternative template. The pop-up will expand to allow you to choose which template to use. Choose everyone acceptable. You will now be able to set up the timings, set within to be 2 days. What this means is that when we get to 2 days before a possible booking, the template will change from biology to everyone acceptable, allowing anyone to make a requested booking. Thus, if the biologists haven't booked the lab and there are less than 2 days to go, anyone can book it. Once happy with the details, press Create Template. I now want to do the same for the microscope on a Friday, so take a copy, select the top of the time we want to copy into, change the day on the weekly repeat from Tuesday to Friday, When happy, press Create Template. Now I want to give physicists priority on the 3TMR on a Wednesday. Select the top of the time we want to copy into. Change the day on the weekly repeat from Tuesday to Wednesday. Change the main template from biology to physics. When happy, press Create Template. I also want to give physicists priority on the microscope on a Thursday. Again, select the top of the time we want to copy into. Change the day on the weekly repeat from Tuesday to Thursday. Change the main template from biology to physics. When happy, press Create Template. Last of all, we need to set up the templates for the rest of the resources for the rest of the days. For the 3TMR, click at the top of the available space. First of all, add Monday, Thursday and Friday to Tuesday in the weekly repeat section. Change the main template from biology to everyone acceptable. Reset the near term to use main template. When happy, press Create Template. We're now going to take a copy of that template and select the top of the time we want to copy into. Then remove Tuesday and add Wednesday in the weekly repeat section. When happy, press Create Template. Now for the last one. Copy the template into the microscope resource on the Monday. We're going to add Wednesday and remove Thursday and Friday in the weekly repeat section. And when happy, press Create Template. We now have a completed template calendar with the templates repeating for each week. So, let's go to the booking calendar to see what it looks like. Red areas are where the user cannot book. By moving your cursor over an area, the appropriate message for the user pops up. Green areas are where the booking will be automatically approved, and in yellow areas the booking is a request. White areas, no templates apply. These colours can be changed for the whole system in Global Preferences. In addition, each user can change their own set of colours in their user settings. Calpendo also has configurable rules to control who can book which resources and when, configurable permissions to control who can see or edit any information in the system, flexible management of users, projects and resources, automated and targeted email notifications.